brand your city. Okay, sure. So we have Pratik, which is BE from Pune, third year BB. Sunana Gupta, Kavya, student. Okay, make sure mention the name of your course which you are pursuing. Okay, we got people from Mumbai and Thane area. Okay, Yogita is a BCom from Delhi. Great. Kavya, you are pursuing BBA plus LLB. Truly impressive. Okay, we have Shreya, who is an MBA pursuing girl. Okay. Okay, we have Anjana Mohan. She's BA in English. Impressive. Okay. Sharanya is doing CS. That's truly impressive. Okay, we have Ashwarya from Navi Mumbai having BMS in HR. Okay, Ritesh is a bachelor in financial market. Okay, impressive guys. To all those newly joining people, guys, this is Career Dream Education. On a very briefer note, we are all about education. And we are delighted to see people from all over India, from Kashmir to Karnataka, to Kerala as well, from Gujarat to Assam, Meghalaya, right from a pan India approach. We have the students, the interns from various streams, from BA faculty, Bachelor of Arts, to BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications, to the financial students, the management students. So it will be a platform for all of you people to perform, learn, and experience the business management. Okay, the sponsors are really impressive, and we can see majority of the interns have come from Navi Mumbai area, the financial capital of India, Mumbai itself. Sure, guys. So interns, it's getting 6 p.m. now. We have got 68 participants, and among you people, among you, the newly joining interns, we have the presence of our program heads and coordinators who are handling and managing the internship. So in this induction meeting, we will get to know about career dream educations, the management, the hierarchy, the organization setup, and what you are going to do in your internship period. So getting this evening started. I can see it's getting six, almost one now. So let's wait for 2 minutes more. And thereon, we shall initiate the induction. Okay, guys. So it's getting the clock is strike 6:02. So let's initiate and have the beginning of this induction session. Like I've been speaking for a couple of minutes. Am I audible to all of you guys clearly? Can you get me clearly? I want
Yes,
some
sir.
responses.
Yes, sir.
Is it? Okay, thank you so much, guys. So let me introduce myself. This is Vinayak Saxena. I am the education program developer and marketing executive head at Career Dream Education. And as the name says, Career Dreams Education, we fulfill, we help the students, we motivate, we teach, we counsel the students for their dream career. We not only give them teaching and coaching and counseling services, we give them marketing services, placement services, career advancement opportunities, and whole. This is a career advancement organization. So, as an intern, you people will see the business internship, career opportunity, along with growth and development, personal also, and the professional. So, let me present my screen to you and have a look at that. So, let me confirm, is the screen visible to all of you? Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it? Is it? Sure, then great. And guys, as the name says, Career Dreams Education. We are situated in Jaipur, Divya Mall, Lal Koti area. We are having the recognition. We are proud to be an education enterprise registered under MSME Act, Government of India. We are registered under the state government of Rajasthan, and we are proud to be ISO certified company, international standard organization. We are having the management quality as per the global standards. So, in terms, we give you the confidence, we give you the assurity that you will be having the internship with Career Dream Educations at the global standard quality. You have to perform, not like a student, but like a professional, having the global competitiveness. Guys, this is 21st century. We have to perform not only in India, we have to match the international level. That's why we are proud to be an ISO certified company. Okay, good evening all, and thank you for awaiting me. I'm really sorry because of the network configuration, the connection was disrupted. So may I know, am I audible to all of you clearly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, sir, your
Yes,
voice is
sir.
audible.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yes, sir.
So as we were discussing the intro of Career Dream Education, let me have my screen here. Let me just share my screen once again here. Okay. So now you will be visible to my screen. Okay. Have a look at that. So now the screen is visible to all of you clearly.
Yeah, sir, it's visible.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
So, so guys, as I was about to say, the legal identity of Career Dream Education is we are registered in the state government of Rajasthan, central government of India, and we are proud to be an ISO certified company. And the whole element of this internship, the comprehensive internship training program, we are working for Skill India initiative. This internship is under the government guidelines for Skill India, giving you a career based on practical knowledge and competitive skills. Something you should be able to perform not only at India level, but having the global competitiveness in your performance. And this is the welcoming note for everyone. We have invited the young people, freshers, graduate, MBA students, technical freelancers, professional people to join us for 45 days internship program, where you people will see the online management. You will see online administrative setup, business management, practical orientation with more and more practical decision making. We will give you opportunity to take decisions, to take business decisions, decide your own target, and get the business success. You will be a part of a team, as I told you earlier. You will be working with a team that will be having a business environment. We will give you the platform to use your knowledge, to show your knowledge. It depends how good you are in your knowledge. This is the basic pedagogy is given here: learning, performing, training, execution, and achievement. Guys, may I know, according to you, what is learning? According to you, what is learning? What do you think about learning?
Knowing
Any
about
idea?
something.
Any idea? What? Any definition? Learning क्या होती है?
To gain knowledge about some particular things.
Okay, to increase your knowledge. That can be one answer. To increase your knowledge, to get knowledge about present things and the future possibilities. And what is performing? Performing का मतलब क्या होगा? I want some quick answers, guys. You are young people, like
To do
young and
something.
management people.
to act on something that you learned.
Mm-hmm. Anything more?
Output of your learning.
To act on something after assimilation of some concepts.
So let's mix all these. इन सबको mix करते हैं. Performance means apply the knowledge for action. You have to apply your knowledge in such a way that you get the success. Ultimately, we are here for career advancement. You have to use your knowledge, apply the knowledge, bring out the action. See, this is a virtual internship. So we will not be able to see whether you are working or not. So what result you have got, this will show कि yes, आपने perform किया या नहीं perform किया. Training, if I say training is equal to upgrade yourself. You have to build up, you have to upgrade your knowledge and your skills. जो आपको आता है, that is good. But you have to increase your knowledge and performance. This is training. Execution means systematic performance. You have to perform, but systematically. सिर्फ करना नहीं है. You have to maintain efficiency. You have to complete your assignment in limited time. This is execution. Perform like a business player. And finally, achievement. Something at the end of the internship, you should get the real benefit of career advancement and business success. We are giving you independence. Think and act on your own. We will not give you orders, ye karo, wo karo. Let us see how strong you are in decision making. And this is what we are doing at Career Dream Education. If you see, this is the strategic management areas. Now, I want any one of you just read these 7 areas where we are working.
Sir, may I?
Please, ma'am, please, you may
Yeah,
continue.
thank you so much, sir. First we have human resource management. Second, we have marketing management. Third, we go for financial management, money barters, strategic management, then educational analytical management, then content building and compilation. Sorry, sir, for that compilation. And last, we have
Perfect.
technical research and development. Technofiller 1.0.
So, thank you so much. I must say, you got a great deal of confidence in your voice. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Satakshi Best.
Okay, I must say, you got a good confidence the way you speak out.
Thank
Good
you so
job,
much,
Dan.
sir.
Guys, when I'm taking the induction, I don't ask you कि बोल के दिखाओ कुछ या पढ़ के दिखाओ. I want to see your confidence, your energy, your enthusiasm for the internship. So, if you see the pattern, we have got 7 departments, especially financial department and technical department. Financial department is having a separate name, Money Barters. They are having their own startup. So all those people who are going to do financial internship, they will be a part of Money Barters. Money Barters is the exclusive financial startup by Career Dream Education. We started the Money Barters unit in the month of February. This 1st April, we inaugurated the startup Money Barters. And today we have the interns who are not only doing internship, but they are the main pillars behind the startup. Guys, सिर्फ internship करना enough नहीं है. You have to think new ideas, to create new ideas, to develop new business strategies. And this is what we are doing in HR management, marketing management, financial management. Strategies management is a very deeper idea where you have to think very strongly and very clearly. Then we have education management, how to manage the colleges and educations, how to handle the student queries, how to manage the education portfolio. Then we have content building. Content building is basically for videos making, poster making, creating advertisements, creating pamphlets, creating content for other teams. Then we have the technical research area, which is the unit for BTech and BCA student, for the CS students. In this induction, we have the interns for HR, marketing, finance, strategy, education management, and content management. Technical unit is not for you people. You are the people for management. So we shall discuss the management strategies with you people today. Guys, this is the basic guideline for the internship program. This is a value-oriented approach. That means you have to perform to create new values. You have to create new ideas while you are doing internship for your career. So you have to bring new values to your career. You have to develop business skills. You have to understand business क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. Going for job is not the right idea. कि मुझे job करना है इसलिए internship कर रहा हूँ. That will not be a right way. Think like a business manager. अगर आप एक कंपनी के मालिक हैं, तो आप किस तरह से काम को करेंगे? Don't think like an employee कि मैं काम करूंगा पैसे मिलेंगे. We are here not for money, but for value. And you must have ethical sense of responsibility. Now, अब आप मुझे बताइए ethical का मतलब क्या होता है? What is ethical? Ethical है क्या? What is ethics?
Sir, when we are okay,
Please.
sir, when we are working in an environment, we have to follow some ethics and norms. Like discipline is important everywhere, whether we are working or not. So in business, that discipline word is known as ethical.
True. So true. So one word you gave is discipline. Anything more? Other interns want to say something? Ethics में क्या क्या
Knowledge is the normative science of behavior, thoughts, and action, so that it aligns with the
To be
society.
manners.
Perfect. See, when you use the word behavior, something human behavior क्या होता है? In simple word, ethics means what is right and what is wrong. You have to maintain honesty. truthfulness, understanding, trust, and reliance in your behavior. Like when I'm speaking to you people, this is my first introduction with you people. मैं आपको नहीं जानता, आप मुझे नहीं जानते. Still we are on Google Meet. We are talking with each other. This is trust. And guys, internship से ज़्यादा importance है आपकी value. What you think about yourself. What you think about your internship program. What you think about your teammates. You have to be honest. Speak the truth. And be very clear in your communication. You have to maintain transparency in your communication. You have to keep a positive feeling in your heart and mind. In case if you feel any such inconvenience, you know, sir, it is going wrong. It is something not easy for me. It is not right according to my values. You can report directly to the management. You have to be honest, maintain good discipline and a decent behavior. You know what, guys? In this internship now, we do not talk to each other like names. If I say Ram, so I will say Ram sir. If I say Sita, then Sita ma'am. Then I will use the word sir and ma'am with every intern. So when you talk to each other, you have to maintain good manners. अब आप बच्चे नहीं हो. You have to speak very politely, but with business attitude. Ultimately, guys, attitude, sorry, attitude matters a lot. Don't think कि मैं बस internship का job ले लूँगा. जॉब लेने से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपका एक बिजनेस एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए. यू शुड हैव द बिजनेस गट्स, यू शुड हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर वॉइस, दैट पावर शुड बी देयर इन योर वॉइस एंड आईज. सो व्हेन यू स्पीक टू योर टीममेट्स, व्हेन यू स्पीक टू योर पीपल, यू शुड शो द ट्रस्ट एंड कॉन्फिडेंस कि हाँ मुझे विश्वास है अपने ऊपर और मुझे विश्वास है अपनी टीम पे. दिस इज व्हाट एथिकल बिहेवियर इज, डिसिप्लिन विद ट्रस्ट. एंड देन इन दिस इंटर्नशिप वी विल सी हाउ पैशनेट यू आर. द लास्ट वर्ड इज पैशन. Something जुनून होना चाहिए. You must be aggressive. You must be passionate about your work and working pattern. If you are not hungry for success, guys, मेहनत करने का कोई मतलब नहीं. दौड़ता तो घोड़ा भी है और गधा भी है, but घोड़े दौड़ते हैं जीतने के लिए. So we are the management players. We are not doing hard work to get success. हम hard work इसलिए कर रहे हैं to get the business success. Something A business passion must be there in your heart. अगर आप फाइनेंस के हैं या आर्ट्स फैकल्टी से हैं या मैनेजमेंट से हैं, और यू कैन बी अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर, क्रिएट एन एटीट्यूड. यू मस्ट बी पैशनेट अबाउट योर वर्किंग एरिया. आपको अपने काम के बारे में. Is it? Okay, just a minute. Is it clear now? Now it's audible? Guys, am I clearly audible to all of you now? Is it? Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
On an ending note, guys. On a very simple note, guys. Be passionate. एक जुनून होना चाहिए आपके दिमाग में कि I am doing internship for my own career, for my own business success, to create attitude. And this is what we will give you in the following job areas. Guys, this is the list of marketing areas where management internship will be there. Telemarketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, personalized marketing will be there. Data compilation, database management, content writing, client customization. The list is quite big. Business networking, education product development, which is my area, educational R&D, research development, market analysis and project analysis. Now, these are the marketing areas. So if you are here for marketing internship, these will be your area. Guys, may I know what is marketing? Marketing का मतलब क्या होता है? What according to you?
Sir, selling
Quickly,
and buying
guys,
of products.
what is marketing?
Sir, selling and buying of
Buy and
products.
sell the product.
No, because this will be quite a small answer. Buying and selling is small marketing. The real meaning of marketing
Knowing
is quite different.
customers,
Promoting
promoting,
Informing the customers about the product.
Okay. You are
Customer
saying,
satisfaction.
Is about your product.
4 P's, that is place, price, promotion, or people.
okay.
Selling products according to customers' requirement.
Knowing,
Mm-hmm.
basically giving all details about your product.
Okay.
Knowing customer feedback about the product.
best possible way,
Okay.
giving
so if
the
I mix
product
your
in
answer,
best possible way.
We are taking a
product into the market. Like all of you are saying customer. What you said? Customer. We are taking a product into the market. Right. There should be a product.
Customer is king.
Mm-hmm. Customer is the king. Ultimately, guys, customer को लाना, product को बेचना, getting the satisfaction, all these things are in marketing. In short, if I ask you what is marketing, it means connecting the people with the product. You don't have to sell, बेचना नहीं है. मार्केटिंग में सिर्फ चीजों को बेचा नहीं जाता है. Satisfaction जब आएगा when your customers are connected with your product. When people feel confidence about you, like Jio is a market king. Jio is the king of the market. Why? Because people get connected with Jio. They feel a positivity. उन्हें पता है कि विश्वास है उन्हें Jio पे. This is what marketing is. Connecting the people with the product. If you connect the people will be satisfied. आपका product अपने आप sale होगा. So as a marketing person, do not sell. Focus sale पे मत रखिए. Focus करिए लोगों से आप connect कैसे करते हो. People will not see you. They will not see your face and voice. If they are confidence, अगर आप अपने clients में confidence create करते हैं, ultimately marketing is done. So marketing is all about connecting customer and confidence उस product के लिए. And this is what we will see in this internship. And if I take you HR, do you know what is the full form of HR? What's the full form?
Sir, human resource.
HR. Human resource.
Human management.
That's it. Now, okay, tell me, what is the difference between human being and human resource? क्या फर्क है दोनों में? Human being and human resource. I want a random answer.
Handles human being.
Okay. और कुछ? एक human being और एक human resource में क्या फर्क है? है तो दोनों
Human
इंसान.
being and human resource which is used by humans.
Human being.
So human resource is
Human
a
resource
human being
is
is a
we-
human and human resource is an asset to the company.
Okay, that's an asset. That can be
Actually,
answered.
we organize a human base to an organization.
Okay, organizing the human. That's good. If I tell you one more word, human capital, then what is the difference of human resource and human capital? Any idea? Human being तो इंसान है, चलिए. Human resource जो कंपनी का asset है. Then who is human capital? Any idea?
Employees are the human capital, right?
Okay. In or a better definition?
Investment in the
Okay.
When we are adding,
Those who are investing.
Okay. So
human resource contribute to economy and human resource.
okay,
Sorry.
I'm just take a pause here. What answers you gave? I think all are correct, but not fully. Human resource is the asset. जो काम का इंसान, something जो useful इंसान है वो human resource है. Human capital is that person जो प्रोडक्शन करना जानता है. जैसा आपने कहा जो इकोनॉमी में इन्वेस्ट करता है, जो इनकम ला सकता है, जो पैसे कमाता है, वो ह्यूमन कैपिटल है. इफ आई से इन माय ओन वर्ड्स, ह्यूमन बीइंग यानी एक लिविंग इंसान. ह्यूमन बीइंग इज अ पर्सन जो जिंदा है, इंसान. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स काम का इंसान, समथिंग जो यूजफुल है, जो खुद के लिए काम का है, जो समाज के लिए काम का है. और ह्यूमन कैपिटल वो काम का इंसान जो पैसे कमाता है. इफ यू आर अ यूजफुल पर्सन, यू आर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. अगर आप पैसे कमाना जानते हो और कमाने के साथ साथ उस पैसे को इन्वेस्ट करना भी जानते हो, यू आर ह्यूमन कैपिटल. सो इन दिस एचआर मैनेजमेंट गाइस, ओके, डू यू एग्री विद मी? मेरे आंसर सही है या गलत? डू यू एग्री विद मी?
Yeah, sir. If we use a simple word, we can use for efficient. An efficient. Yeah.
Right.
Yes, giving the best definition about it.
Right. And you know what, guys? In business management, there are lot of answers and lots of questions. The best answer is that जो छोटा हो और exact हो. In English we says success आपको तभी मिलेगी when you have a perfect calculation. Success is like a max. If your calculation is correct, success is guaranteed. But to find the right calculation, that's a really great task. So in this HR management, we will see a calculation. We will calculate HR. HR को कैसे handle करना है. Recruitment, getting the people. Getting the interviews. Interview आपको लेने हैं. You will take the interview. You will prepare the data sheet. You will take the calls. You will give them mailing. In short, you will decide अब जो interns आने वाले हैं वो कैसे आएंगे. You will invite other people for internship. You will take the interview and you will judge. You will decide. You will be the judge. इसे रखना है या नहीं रखना है internship में. And this is what we will do with HR. CV proliferation, analyzing the CV, profile assessment, interview scheduling, getting the clients, B2B networking, HR training, and HR tech access. All these things will be covered with HR. So ultimately, HR means इंसानों को संभालना, which is a very tough task. पढ़े लिखे इंसान को संभालना, it's a very hectic task. एक अनपढ़ इंसान को जो बोलोगे वो करेगा. He will not use his brain. But एक पढ़ा लिखा इंसान अपना दिमाग भी लगाएगा और दूसरों का दिमाग भी लगवाएगा. And this is what HR management, to balance your own mind with other people's mind. The HR management, balancing the mind of people. So in terms, you will see how to balance mind. दिमाग को balance कैसे करना है? You will see in HR management. And finally, we have the R&D management, the business. You know what is R&D? Any idea? Full form. R&D.
Research and development.
Right. Research and development. Right. And guys, in this research and development part, you have to think new solution. You have to create new opportunities for yourself also and for your team. You decide कि कहाँ पे problem है. If there is a problem, then do some research. Go to Google's, go to books, go through the newspaper cuttings, go for the market analysis. Try to see the things, observe them, analyze them. And in this way, we will do educational research, technical research, business research. Ultimately, we need new ideas. और new ideas को लाने के लिए, we will go for
Your voice is not
research.
clear.
Just a sec. Is it clear now? Okay, it's clear now? Not so? I just expect a couple of minutes. Let me just rejoin in a couple of seconds. Okay, interns, am I audible now?
Yes.
Can you get me?
Sir.
Okay. Once again, thank you for awaiting me. Like, I think the network issue is quite weak in my area, so I really regret the same. And thank you for awaiting me. And guys, one more thing I want to address you. As an intern, if you are doing a mistake, do not say sorry. Business world में sorry कहना सही नहीं माना जाता है. So if I make a mistake, I will say, I regret the inconvenience. I regret for it, but I won't say sorry because sorry is the informal word. So make sure.
But both meaning are same.
Yes, please.
Both meaning are same.
The meaning is same, but for example, अगर आप किसी को WhatsApp पे thanks लिख के भेजती हैं, thanks and thank you. What is the difference in thanks and thank you?
Difference between is spelling.
So gesture, the way we are predicting.
Definitely. See, the gesture is different. The emotion is very different. When I talk to an intern, I will not say thanks because you are not my friend. Thanks is used for friends and family. Thank you is used for the professional world. So there are certain languages which you will use because you are professional people, guys. You will not say sorry and thank you every time. If you are doing good job, then we will appreciate you. We will give you congratulations, but in a very professional limit. So that's why sorry is not the right word in the business world. It is, I regret the same. Or you can say, excuse me. Or you can say, pardon. These are not something, you learn these things. जब आप perform करेंगे, धीरे-धीरे बातें you will understand automatically. Now, I just take you to the second part of the file there. This is for the management people or financial people. Let me just showcase you your area. So to financial people, if you see this logo, can you see the name there?
Yes, money batters.
Sir.
Creating wealthy happiness. To all those financial interns, this name will be there in your mind throughout your internship. क्योंकि आपकी internship career dream education के साथ है, but आपका जो काम होगा वो money batters के साथ होगा. Money Batters is the newly established financial startup. We have Kaushik sir and Shikha ma'am who are the managing head of this unit. I must say, guys, Shikha ma'am and Kaushik sir. Shikha ma'am belongs to Mumbai. She is MBA in finance. We have Kaushik sir. He is an MCOM in accounts and taxation. He belongs to Karnataka. Both these people are interns. In the beginning, they were interns, but today, Shikha ma'am and Kaushik sir are the managing head. They are the coordinator of financial team. So interns, in this financial team, Money Barters, again, it's under Skill India initiative, you will see financial management, something पैसे को कमाना बहुत आसान है, but उसे संभाल के रखना बहुत मुश्किल. How to invest your money, how to increase your money. This is what Money Barters is. We are having specialized financial management, financial analysis wing, catering to financial development, aspirations of our concerned stakeholders. In short, Money Barters deals with financial management, financial studies, and financial organization. पैसे को संभालना कैसे है? You will see fund allocation, portfolio management, asset management, capital structuring, taxation, and business regulation. There are legal norms related to the financial industry. So in all these areas, as a financial intern, you will do research, you will prepare reports, and you will perform financial management along with your team. If you see, these are the financial areas where financial people will have the experience. So may I have any one of you to please go through the list on the screen? Any one of you?
So may I?
Please, ma'am. Sure.
First, systematic investment plan. Second, health plan, term plan, e-gold investment, mutual funds, fund allocation assessment, intraday trading, stock tracking, rupee dollar assessment, financial leverage in capital structure, EBIT, that is EPS analysis, determination of value of firm with various approaches, market capitalization, stock
Okay,
market
right.
mechanism, stock markets in India.
Okay,
Thank you.
guys, thank you so much, ma'am. All those people who are financial students, may I know what the full form of EBIT? क्या होता है EBIT?
Earning before interest and tax.
Earning before interest and tax.
Perfect. And what is EPS?
Earning per share.
Okay. And what is financial leverage? What is this word, financial leverage? Any idea?
Role of fixed cost in total capital structure.
Okay, right. We can say it's a combination of debt and equity. When a company is using both debt and equity, you will see leverage. So let me ask few questions to these financial people. Give me one example of debt. Give me one example of debt.
Debentures.
Debenture.
Debentures and bank loans. Perfect. And one example of equity.
Shareholders.
Yes.
Not shareholders.
Share owners. Real owners.
No.
Real owners.
Equity
Equity
shares.
Equity shares.
Okay. So guys, can you tell me the name of India's biggest stock market?
NSC.
NSE, BSE
If I say BSE, so the bigger is BSE. Bombay Stock Exchange, the Dalal Street, is the India's biggest stock market. And guys, if you look on the screen, we have to, in this financial internship, you will study Sensex, Nifty, Kospi, Nikkei, FTSE, Hang Seng. These are the international share markets. Can you tell me? Kospi, okay. FTSE, किस country का share market है? FTSE belong to which country? Any idea? अगर सेंसेक्स और निफ्टी इंडिया से है, कॉस्पी कोरिया से है, निकी अगेन कोरिया से है, एफटीएससी कहां से है?
Europe.
Any idea?
Europe.
It's from UK. FTSE is the financial market, the stock market of United Kingdom, England, and Hang Seng belongs to China. Can you tell me the names of two financial market, stock markets of America? US markets के नाम पता है आपको?
S&P 500 and Dow Jones.
Dow Jones,
That's
right.
an average.
Perfect. Nasdaq and Dow Jones, guys. And you know what? पैसा सब लोग कमाते हैं. आप लोग शायद 20s में हैं, 21, 22 के हैं आप लोग. Ultimately आप 20 साल तक और कमा लोगे. After 40 years ना, you have to retire. Government की एज 60 साल है. But ultimately as young people, हमारी रिटायरमेंट 40 साल में हो जाएगी. And guys, अगर आप 1 करोड़ का लेके चल रहे हो, अगर आपके दिमाग में कि मुझे 1 करोड़ तो कमाना है, I think 20 साल बहुत ज्यादा समय है. If you plan your money systematically, you can be a millionaire in 5 years. Idea is quite simple. Financial manager पैसे कमाते नहीं है, पैसे को बढ़ाते हैं. We don't earn money. We have to multiply the money. And for multiplication of money, you need strong knowledge. So as a financial intern, guys, be very clear. आपकी knowledge level clear होनी चाहिए, confirm होनी चाहिए. And don't wait कि मुझे कोई बोलेगा तो मैं करूंगा. Use your mind, analyze your market. Any one of you tell me, Indian market में कोविड पीरियड में सबसे ज्यादा डिमांड वाले शेयर्स किस सेक्टर में होंगे?
IT and FMCG.
फार्मास्यूटिकल,
Pharmacy. FMCG.
right? Can you tell me the full form of FMCG?
Fast moving consumer
Right.
goods. Fast moving
And
consumer goods.
And can you tell me one company जो FMCG में बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रही है? Can you tell me the company? ITC is there.
HUL.
Okay, Patanjali is there. Big Bazaar Group is there.
Dabur also.
Dabur is also there. Perfect. Like even Godrej is there. PNG is there. Guys, India world के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा economy है. We are the fastest growing economy in the world. And as a financial student, as a financial intern, you have to work on those areas जहाँ पे 2 साल बाद तेजी आएगी. We are in 2021, but we are planning for next 2 years. After 2 years, Indian banking system, Indian financial markets will be going higher and higher. So as a part of internship, try to build your mindset. अपने दिमाग को बड़ा करो. Think like a professional investor. Think like a financial manager. In this internship, we will give you opportunities of real-time business research. If I say कि last week of April में हम कौन से shares में गिरावट देखेंगे? If you see the last week of April, I think motor cars, the automobile industry will be having a great downfall in the sale, which is quite clear. COVID period में लोग गाड़ियां नहीं खरीदेंगे. So there are certain predictions which you will make as a financial person. Also, in the third part, the financial interns will see income tax analysis. You have to study the budget of 21. You will study income tax, how to make income tax assessment, TDS, income from salary, income from capital gain, PAN cards, ELSS. Any idea what is ELSS? ये क्या होता है? ELSS. It's a very perfect equity link saving scheme. That means पैसे को बचाना है ताकि आपको टैक्स बेनिफिट मिले और उस पैसे को शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना है. So guys, फाइनेंशियल एरिया अपने आप एक बहुत बड़ी दुनिया है. We don't earn money. हम पैसे कमाते नहीं हैं. We multiply the money. This is what the attitude of financial person is. Recently बहुत से लोगों ने scam 1992 देखा. हर्षद मेहता को बहुत बड़ा कर दिया. Every student of 11th and 12th wants to become like Harshad Mehta. Ultimately, guys, it's not Harshad Mehta. It's your mind जो आपको सच भी दिखाएगा, झूठ भी दिखाएगा. As a financial person, if you are a strong player, then you can be a millionaire in 5 years. और अगर weak player हो तो 100 साल भी लग जाएंगे, 1 करोड़ पे नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. This is India. If you are a strong player, आपके लिए बहुत कुछ है. For weak players, there is nothing. And this is the domain for taxation related to GST. How to register the GST, the scope, the coding, the monthly return, the quarterly returns, all the filings of GST will be taken under the internship. We will be having Kaushik sir who will be taking specialized classes for GST to help you understand कि GST होता क्या है, return कैसे file किए जाते हैं. And if you are willing, if you are interested to go for official training, then we will give you a 15 days training for GST filing so that you can get a good career advantage. And this is what money barters. Creating wealthy happiness. खुशी होनी चाहिए, but वो खुशी ultimately पैसों से आती है. आप चेहरे पे दिखा सकते हो कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, I am happy with my life. But if you don't have a single penny in your pocket, अगर जेब में पैसे नहीं है, तो वो खुशी सिर्फ दिखावे की खुशी है. So ultimately, creating wealthy happiness, पैसे वाली खुशी, that's the real motto of money barters. So financial interns, do you agree with this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And ultimately, as of जैसे मैनेजमेंट के दिमाग में ये पता है कि they have to get business success. Ultimately, financial interns के दिमाग में एक बात होनी चाहिए. We are here to multiply the money. पैसे को बढ़ाना कैसे है, ये सीखना है. कमाना तो काफी इजी है, गधे की तरह काम करोगे। अगर आप पढ़े लिखे नहीं हो, अगर आप मजदूरी भी करोगे तो 300 रुपीज तो आपको वैसे ही मिलेंगे पर डे पे। महीने का 9,000 रुपए तो आपको वैसे भी मिल जाएगा बिना पढ़ाई लिखाई करे भी। द पॉइंट इज दैट आप अनपढ़ हो या पढ़े लिखे हो, दैट्स नॉट अ डिफरेंस। आपकी जेब में पैसे कितने हैं, हाउ मेनी बक्स यू गॉट इन योर पॉकेट। कम से कम 2,000 का नोट है कि 100 रुपए का नोट है आपकी जेब में, वो डिसाइड करेगा आपके करियर को। डोंट वेट फॉर कि जॉब मिलेगा तो पैसे कमाएंगे। पैसे कमाना अच्छी बात है, बट उससे पहले ये भी सोचो कि पैसे को संभालना कैसे है, मैनेज कैसे करना है। दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव एंडेड द फाइनेंशियल पार्ट। Guys, if I just take you to the next part, this is the technical part, Technopedia, which is a different unit for technical people. We are proud to say Career Dream Educations की अपनी एक अलग से टेक्निकल यूनिट है जो वेबसाइट बनाती है, वेब पेजेस बनाती है, एंड्रॉइड्स के गेम्स बनाती है, जो साइबर सिक्योरिटी में काम करती है, जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करती है। अल्टीमेटली हमारी इस करियर ड्रीम एजुकेशन में जहाँ मैनेजमेंट है, जहाँ पैसे कमाने वाले फाइनेंशियल मैनेजर हैं, वहीं टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ खेलने वाले टेक्निकल प्लेयर्स भी हैं हमारे पास। एंड दिस इज फॉर द टेक्निकल पीपल। मे बी इट विल नॉट बी योर डोमेन, बट फॉर जनरल आइडिया, वी Technophilia 1.0, we create web designing, Android designing, graphics, SEO, e-commerce handling, social media, cyber security, and artificial intelligence. We are a team of technical players. Or as a technical player, we create technical magic. So guys, this is what we are here in this internship. Management with finance. And if I take you to the conclusion, this internship is based on value. 45 days period. There will not be any payment. I will be very clear with you. This is a non-paid internship, but you will be having recognition through certificate. Certificate of internship and work excellence will be given to every intern. These two certificates will be given to every intern, and remaining certificate, acknowledgement, appreciation, leadership, participation, keymanship, excellence, ethical conduct, innovation, knowledge excellency, all these certificates will be issued based on your performance. Guys, this is your internship. ये मेरी नहीं, आपकी internship है. You decide what the best you can do. If you are a team leader, if you are an event coordinator, if you are a project head, it is your success. It is your power. We will give you the platform, the canvas to paint. Let's see, आप अपने दिमाग से क्या कर सकते हो। We are proud to say this internship is purely entrepreneurship. है दम, if you got the attitude, then prove it. Yes, I can manage my team. And this is what Skill India initiative is. In short, we will give you opportunity to take decisions और तय करो मुझे क्या करना है। If you are good in this area, उस एरिया में काम करिए जहाँ पे आप अच्छे हैं। Discuss with your team leader. You will have program heads. You will be having coordinators. They will give you directions and guidance. क्या करना है, कैसे करना है। Just one thing. Do maintain communication. Communication को तोड़िए. If you break the communication, you will be out of the internship. We are here to work, but बिना communication के we cannot justify हमने क्या किया और क्या करने वाले थे। आप कितने भी अच्छे हो, बिना confidence के, बिना communication के, we will not be able to work together. So as a part of a Skill India initiative, this is Career Dream Education. Welcome to CITP. And these are the contact details presented over here. And if you have the initial starting, just check the official website of Career Dream Education, careerdreams.co.in. We are all about education. And in just one word, if you are going to join internship, get ready. ये 45 days की जर्नी आपके लिए एक एडवेंचर जैसी होगी। Think like a business manager. एम्प्लॉय बन के मत सोचना। And just have one idea clear. दिमाग में एक बात क्लियर करना, मुझे करना क्या है। मैं यहाँ पढ़ने या पढ़ाने नहीं आया हूँ। I am here to build myself, to upgrade myself. And this is what internship is. अपने आप को upgrade करना. We will give you challenges. We will give you opportunities. If you are the best player, you will be taken as a part of management. We have Rajiv sir and Riya ma'am. We have Riddhi ma'am, Ranu ma'am, Saloni ma'am. These are the people who were interns. ये interns थे. But today, they are our partners. We are proud to say, Ranu ma'am is the head of Campus Ambassador Program. She is the head of the program. She is the authority अब वो इंटर्न नहीं है, वो उस प्रोग्राम की हेड बन चुकी हैं. वी हैव सलोनी मैम, शी इज द हेड ऑफ प्लेसमेंट सेल. वी हैव रिद्धि मैम, शी इज द coordinator of HR unit. So these are the example. We have Ria ma'am, she is the head of technical team, Technophilia. Shikha ma'am, she is the coordinator, head of the financial team. Kaushik sir, head of financial team. Rajiv sir, head of technical and management. So guys, ये सब चीजें, it's not बस काम कर लिया बात खत्म. है दम, if you got the attitude, then show us your business sense. Something ये opportunity बहुत कम लोगों को मिलती है. पढ़ाई के पहले एक्सपीरियंस करो कि रियल टाइम बिजनेस कैसा होता है. एंड फ्रॉम माय साइड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ करियर ड्रीम एजुकेशंस, आई गिव यू द एश्योरेंस कि आप दिस इंटर्नशिप विल बी अ बेस्ट पार्ट फॉर योर करियर, बट इट डिपेंड्स हाउ यू वर्क हार्ड. एंड वन मोर थिंग, सिर्फ काम करना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. थिंक लाइक अ बिजनेस पर्सन. प्रॉब्लम होगी, सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा, और वो नया होना चाहिए. समथिंग एक ही सोल्यूशन को बार बार रिपीट करना ठीक नहीं होगा. इफ यू थिंक सेल्स नहीं आ रही है, एचआर काम नहीं कर रहा है, थिंक फॉर अ न्यू सोल्यूशन. अल्टीमेटली इनोवेशन इज लाइफ. दिस इंटर्नशिप विल फोकस ऑन 3 एरियाज. कुछ नया करो, इनोवेशन, इंटरेस्ट, इच्छा होनी चाहिए, एंड इनिशिएटिव, कुछ नया करने की इच्छा होनी चाहिए. तो गाइज, फ्रॉम माय पार्ट इज ओवन. वेलकम टू करियर ड्रीम एजुकेशंस, द कोर मैनेजमेंट एंड फाइनेंशियल इंटर्नशिप under CITP, and this is what we are. Thank you so much, guys. Now, my part is over. Now, if you want to ask something, you may let me know.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, ma'am.
Sir,
If you
one
have
doubt, sir.
Please, ma'am. Please, sir.
Yeah, what is it internship about, sir? Like you will start from scratch or any required prerequisites?
See, as a part of management internship, your team leaders and program head will give you assignment. Initially, in the beginning, there will be small assignments, creating research paper, creating posters, getting the content, getting CVs, taking the interview. Initially, in the beginning, there will be small assignment. And as you move ahead, the opportunities, the challenges will go on increasing. If possible, guys, if you are good in speaking, if you are having good knowledge, you can take a session. आप mentor बन जाइए, and you can take a session of other interns, and we will give you live YouTube streaming. That means आप हमारे YouTube channel पे live आएंगे. We are having a YouTube channel of 2000 plus subscribers. So आप हमारे YouTube channel पे आइए. The public will see you, the people will see you, and you will be the speaker. And at that time, you will be the mentor, and we will give you special certificate for having a webinar. In the technical team, every week we can say we have a technical webinar जहाँ पे interns webinar देते हैं. अभी तक आप लोगों ने colleges में webinar देखे हैं, but if you have the power, if you have the guts, give a webinar to our interns. So the assignments depends on your caliber. If you are a strong player, lot more opportunities will be there. But if you are a weak player, guys, you can't stand. आप यहाँ stand नहीं कर पाएंगे इस internship में. Ultimately, winners are the best. Nobody thinks about the losers. So if you think you are a winner, then show us your attitude. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Is it? Sure. Any query? Any question you want to ask now? And your team leaders, your program head will let you join the financial group. We have financial WhatsApp groups, money barters. We have management groups. We have technical groups. So your team leaders will contact you. They will join you in their respective teams. And guys, see, क्योंकि ये virtual internship है, there is no foundation. Complete flexibility आपको मिलेगी. अगर आपको लगता है कि आज आप engage हैं सुबह, आप शाम को काम करेंगे, inform your team leader कि मैं आज सुबह नहीं शाम को काम करूंगा. असाइनमेंट अगर आपका लेट हो रहा है, यू कैन कम्युनिकेट कि आज मैं लेट हो जाऊंगा, मैं कल सबमिट करूंगा. इन शॉर्ट, कम्युनिकेशन को बनाए रखिएगा. इट्स योर इंटर्नशिप एंड योर करियर एंड योर सक्सेस. सो गाइस, ऑलमोस्ट इज गेटिंग 6:53 नाउ. हमने 50 मिनट्स अवेल किए हैं साथ में. सो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस, एंड लेट्स सी, लेट्स द रेस बिगिन. All the best guys, and I will see you again in the coming days, and let's see आप लोगों में से स्टार कौन बनता है. We shall wait to see the best of the performer among. Yes, Kajal?
Sure.
Sure, sir.
Okay, guys. So, guys, let us wait to see the best player among the new people. All the best, guys, and have a great evening ahead. And make sure it's the high tide going on. Take care of your family, of your health, and especially your mind. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Guys.
Thank you, sir.
Meet is adjourned, so you may disperse
Thank
now.
you, sir.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, guys. You may disperse now. The meet is over. Okay.
Yes.